Our friends.
We heard they're here in the animal hospital. Can you help us find them? I can help you, but I don't have any keys to open up the cages.
Don't worry, Fizzy. I have keys, but we need to know the colors to open up the right cage.
I don't know my colors yet.
It's okay, Fizzy. I'll help you, and so will our friends from The Secret Life of Pets.
Woohoo! Let's have some fun! Fizzy Toy Show!
Let's try to open this first door. What color is it? What color key do we need?
Is that purple? No, Fizzy! That one is green! We need the green key! Okay, Miss Hands! Let's use the green key!
Okay, we need to find the green key. Here it is, right here. Let's put our green key in and see who's inside. It's Sweet Pea from The Secret Life of Pets. She's yellow and green. And Sweet Pea has someone else who's green in there. It's the Incredible Hulk. He's green. Let's give him a good squish. Hey Fizzy, what color key do we need to open that one?
Red. No, Fizzy, you need the purple key. Ooh, purple. I love purple.
That's right, we need this purple key. Let's open it up. Who's inside? It's Chloe! She's a purple cat from The Secret Life of Pets. And it's Rarity from My Little Pony. She has a purple mane. Let's give her a good squish. Okay, Fizzy, what color is this?
Ooh, I know that one. It's blue, just like my blue stripes.
That's right, Fizzy. We need the blue key. Can we find the blue key? Yes, here it is, right here. Who's inside? Here's a blue Flappy Bird. Let's give it a good squish. And these guys aren't blue. Look, it's Norman. He's a guinea pig. And someone's in here with blue eyes. It's Gidget. She's all white and she has blue eyes and a pink little bow on her head. Okay, Fizzy, what color is this door?
Fizzy does not know that color.
Fizzy, that color is orange. Ooh, orange, like an orange. That's right, it's orange like an orange. And here's our orange key. I see something orange. It's Marlin. He's swimming along. And let's give him a good squish. We found Olaf. Olaf is white. And he has an orange carrot nose. Hi, everybody. Okay, Fizzy, I have to admit, this color down here is a little tricky.
It looks kind of red, but it's not quite red.
That's right, Fizzy. It looks like it's a dark orange, almost red.
Ooh, that's a tricky color.
Do you see the same color key on here? Yes, this one right here. It's a dark orange, almost red. Let's go ahead and open up the door. Who will we find inside? Look, we found Max. He is from The Secret Life of Pets, and he has a blue collar on. Ruff, 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 ruff. So we said this color looks almost red. Ariel's hair is red. Look how cute Ariel is. Let's give her a little squish. She's not very squishy at all. She's wearing a green dress. Okay, Fizzy, it's the last door. Do you know what color that is?
I think it's, yellow?
Yes, Fizzy, that's correct. It is a yellow door. Hooray! Now I just need to find the yellow key. Here it is right here. Let's use our key and see who's inside. Inside we found Pops. This little basset hound has a wheelchair and is so adorable. His wheelchair is blue. That's a fancy wheelchair. And there's something yellow in here. It's a yellow angry bird. So squishy. Today we found a lot of our animal friends. And we learned the colors yellow, purple, blue, green, orange, and orange that is almost red.
Woo, this is so fun! Hey guys, thanks for helping Fizzy learn his colors. Have a great day!
Today we're learning colors and numbers with our Play-Doh oven. Let's turn it on. What is inside the oven? It's a stress ball, and this stress ball is orange. And let's squeeze it. Now it's yellow. Let's squeeze it again. One more time. Time to cook in our oven again. What's inside? It's a purple stress ball. Let's squeeze it. Now it's pink. Let's see that again. One more time. Let's cook in our oven again. What's inside? We have 1, 2 gumballs. This gumball is yellow. This gumball is orange. Time to cook in our oven again. What's inside? We have 1, 2, 3 gumballs. This one is white. This one is pink. This one is red. Time to cook in our oven again. What's inside? It is a green stress ball. Let's squeeze it. Now it's blue. Let's see that again. One more time. Let's cook in our oven. What's inside? There is 1 gumball. It's blue. Time to cook again. What's in our oven? It's a stress ball, and this stress ball is teal. Let's squeeze it. Now it's green. Let's see that again. How many stress balls did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. What colors are they? Orange, purple, green, teal. What colors are they when you squeeze them? Green, yellow, pink, blue. How many gumballs did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What colors are they? Orange, pink, yellow, white, red, blue. How many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 surprises.
Can Fizzy see it one more time? Woohoo, that's so cool.
Today we're learning colors with the Paw Patrol. This is Chase, and Chase is wearing a blue hat. This is Rubble, and Rubble is wearing a yellow hat. This is Marshall, and Marshall's wearing a red hat. This is Rocky, and Rocky's wearing a hat that is white and green. This is Everest. Everest is purple, and her hat is teal. This is Zuma. Zuma is a brown dog, and he's wearing orange. This is Skye, and Skye is wearing pink goggles. Skye is going on the pink peg. Marshall's going on the red peg. Everest is going on the purple peg. And Rocky is on the green peg. What color peg should we hammer? Blue, orange, yellow, or blue? Let's hammer orange. Bye, Marshall. Now let's hammer blue. Bye, Rocky. Let's hammer yellow. Bye, Everest. Next, let's hammer blue. Bye, Skye. This pup's gonna fly. Let's hammer the red one to make Marshall with the red hat fly. Bye, Marshall. Chase has a blue hat and he's on the blue peg. We're going to hammer the green one to make Chase fly. Bye, Chase. Rubble has a yellow hat and is on the yellow peg. We're going to hammer the purple one to make Rubble fly. Bye, Rubble. Zuma is wearing an orange hat and is on our orange peg. Let's hammer the red one to make Zuma fly. Bye, Zuma. Everest is on the blue peg. Let's hammer the pink one to make her fly. Bye, Everest. The colors we learned today were blue, green, yellow, purple, orange, red, blue, and pink.